In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear chat on Instagram from both sides. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your DMs and then just open up some conversation. Now, if we want to clear Instagram chat from both sides, we should know that we can just clear our own messages from both sides. In order to do that, we can just hold down our finger at a message and then hit add unsend. And what that will do, that will actually delete this message from a conversation for both users. I can now switch to my another profile. I can get into the same conversation from another user. As you can see, the message that I have removed on my main account is no longer showing here. In this way, you can delete messages on Instagram conversation from both sides. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.